Today we're going to be sharing how you can make these loose leaf tea favors. They're perfect favors for a baby shower, bridal shower, or even a wedding, and they cost just about $1 each to make. I started by creating a template that fit the loose leaf tea bags inside, so mine was 9.5 by 4.5 inches. Then I folded that in half and I used it to cut out all my additional pieces of fabric. I picked up a few different kinds of floral vintage style fabrics from a local craft shop, and I used those and I think they were perfect for this. Once I was done cutting them out, I just gave them a quick ironing to get rid of any of the creases the fabric had. I got some loose leaf tea filters and some floral herbal tea, and then I filled each of the tea filters and then tied them shut. Then I took my folded fabric and I took the tea bag and I put it right along the bottom seam, and then I'm going to take the sides and fold in about 1/2 inch and then repeat the fold to the center over top of the tea bag and repeat with the opposite side. Then I just used some string and tied a knot around the top of the tea bag. Then you can trim off a little bit of the excess fabric at the top. Then I just took one of my gold teaspoons and I tied it in place and tied a bow around it. Honestly, these gold floral spoons are the star of the show, and I created this as a favor for my cousin's bridal shower just so that all of our guests could go home with one of these. I'll share the link to the ones that I used below.